Hey guys, welcome back to Jude's Kitchen. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make my Zesty Fry Booster. Here are the ingredients. We need some salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, chili lime seasoning, and Tajin, if you want, for zing. Here are the supplies you're going to need. You might need a bowl, a funnel, tablespoon and teaspoon, and also one of these empty little cup things. We need 4 tablespoons of kosher salt. Sorry, I'm not really a chef. That may be too much salt. It's fine, good enough. That's what us chefs say. After that, we need 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. This time, Dad, you pour it, because I don't want to go through that trouble again. One tablespoon. That's a second tablespoon. A little bit more. And then we need 2 teaspoons of a garlic powder. You pour it, Dad. Two. Okay. You can really smell the garlic. Try this at home so you can take a whiff of that. 2 tablespoons of onion, 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Then you need 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of chili lime seasoning. I personally want to do this. But you don't have to do this. I am gonna add a little Tajin to give it some zing. Now mix. You can see it kind of getting pink. It's pink. We need to make sure that should be enough mixing. No? Okay, it does taste fine. It's zesty. Take the 2 lids off if you have this exact jar. Put the funnel on. And then carefully, I don't know if I can do carefully after this. Carefully scoop into the funnel, which goes into the jar. Okay. Let's put this on. Put the lid on, and there it is. There it is. We have the Zesty Fry Booster. And now for the ultimate test. Now remember, you're gonna wanna kind of flip the fries around so you get them all over the fries. So you know they don't just take weird on one side, like weird and cold and bland on one side and good on the other. It's good. It's very good. You can really taste the smoked paprika. And I really do recommend the Tajin with that zing. But I don't recommend you do this with cold fries, but it still tastes good. Now for the ultimate surprise. Custom stickers. With my face created by Jude Brooke. That's true. Jude Zesty Fry Booster. And now we have an extra one. I'll put the recipes down the description. Like and subscribe for more. Bye!